You ever feel like you're stuck? Like no matter how hard you try, you're still in the same place, watching others rise while you stay behind? It feels unfair, doesn't it? But listen, being at the bottom doesn't mean you stay there. The ones who rise the highest always start from nothing. Right now, you might feel powerless, lost, like you're meant for more but don't know how to get there. You see others winning, achieving, living the life you want, and it burns. Maybe you failed before. Maybe you've told yourself, I'm just not good enough. But deep down, you know that's not true. Because the truth is, every legend, every success story, every hero you admire started exactly where you are now. Weak, doubtful, uncertain, but they didn't stay that way. They made a choice to keep moving, to keep fighting, to keep showing up, even when it felt pointless. Your pain? It's not a dead end. It's a test, a chance to rise, a chance to prove to yourself that you are more than what they said you were. You don't need permission to change. You don't need anyone to save you. Everything you need is already inside you. So what are you going to do? Keep watching others live your dream? Or finally take the first step? You don't need to be perfect. You don't need all the answers. You just need to start. One step, one action, one decision, and then another, and another, until the person in the mirror isn't the same anymore. Because one day, you'll look back and realize that was the moment your life changed forever. No more excuses, no more waiting. The hero in you is waiting to be unleashed. So stand up, step forward, and become the person you were meant to be. If you're ready to start your journey, hit that like button. And if you refuse to stay the same, subscribe. Your story is just beginning.